Clear your space, clear your mind. While cleaning can help cure depression. Does your home reflect your state of mind? Messy countertops, laundry piles, and random clutter may be more than annoying. They could be contributing to the heavy weight of depression. Imagine transforming your space into an oasis of calm and clarity. What if this small shift could spark healing within? Our surroundings shape our emotions. A chaotic space can amplify feelings of stress, fatigue, and helplessness. But a clean, organized space fosters calm and control, signals fresh beginnings, and can reduce mental fog. Taking control of your surroundings might just be the first step toward taking control of your mind. The thought of cleaning an entire home can be overwhelming. But here's the secret. Start small. Something as simple as making your bed or clearing a single drawer can create a ripple effect. Completing small tasks builds momentum and gently reminds you that you are capable, productive, and moving forward. Cleaning isn't just about the dirt. It's about you. Think of it as an act of self-compassion. By caring for your space, you're prioritizing your mental and emotional well-being. Instead of seeing it as a chore, reframe it as an investment in your peace and happiness. You're worth that effort. Clutter doesn't just crowd your space, it clutters your mind. Each unnecessary item is a tiny source of stress. By letting go of what no longer serves you, you create room for clarity, creativity, and joy. With every drawer you organize and every surface you clear, you're decluttering your thoughts too. Cleaning isn't always a solo act. Why not invite a friend or family member to help? Shared tasks strengthen bonds, make the process fun, and provide much-needed emotional support. Depression can bring isolation, but tidying together builds connection and reminds you that you don't have to face hard times alone. Remember, it's not about achieving an Instagram-worthy home. It's about progress, not perfection. Celebrate small victories. That cleared sink, the fresh scent of your favorite candle, or the cozy corner you just reclaimed. Every step you take brings light into you. Every win, no matter how small, is yours. Incorporate mindfulness into your cleaning routine. Feel the soapy water on your hands, listen to uplifting music, or watch the sunlight bounce off a spotless surface. Slowly, intentionally, cleaning becomes therapeutic. Simple as it seems, these acts ground you in the present moment and give you a sense of purpose. A messy home often feeds a cycle of chaos, both physical and emotional. By breaking that cycle with cleaning, you invite calm and empowerment into your life. Each clean surface reflects you taking control. Over time, this process can chip away at the numbness or hopelessness depression often brings. Now is the time to reclaim your space and your mind. Start small, breathe deeply, and take just one task today. Share this journey with friends or a community that uplifts you. Hit like and subscribe to join us for more inspiring content. Your fresh start can begin right now. Are you ready?